Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use WooCommerce as a plugin in your website. Remember to watch the previous video if you have not watched so that you can be able to continue. All the links are in the description below. So let's go to our website. And remember to add a backslash together with wp-admin to access your admin's portal. Enter your admin name as well as your password. You can click on remember me, then log in. So today we are going to install a plugin called WooCommerce. WooCommerce is for business websites mostly.
My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch it by my.
As you can see, the website is not yet set up.
I'm sorry that I stole your car.
Let's go to plugins.
Tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm.
Then add new.
I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
Then you will search WooCommerce.
Well, this is what happens when I'm out of my medicine. There's collateral damage. I gotta go. I'm sorry.
Click on install now. Give it a moment.
That don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm. So I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. 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 Down Cali, drive.
Then click on activate.
Motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away. Yeah, like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got love blind and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old.
Enter your information. Country.
You got it going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. sweet. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine. I'm a fool, yeah, I got my love blind. And ooh, yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered
Enter the city.
over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good. Oh baby, we'll never get old.
Postal code.
With my baby, double drops and raindrops. Motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy.
If you are setting up for a client, check it. Then continue. Select whatever you want to. You can also even click downloads if you are selling virtual items like movies. Then continue. Set it as per your business.
Stand in the open, knowing it will all make sense. One day, I'm looking for answers. Zipping through,
Select no.
wish you could take me back. Your
Then continue.
arms wide open, where it all began. Where it all
Now select a theme for your website.
push me further, so I couldn't close inside. The whole bands. No, 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 no.
So I will select daily, which is a free theme.
Take me back. You're standing there with arms wide open, where it all
You can click on yes if you want to use Jetpack, or no if you don't want to. But I will click yes. Click on next. Then let's go.
I'm counting days. Look at these eyes. They're not here to please you. There was a time you could be mine. Before all that you put me through, I knew that you were trouble, but I let that you were bad. I'm living in this bubble and it makes you so mad. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like me. Don't need you to like. You can watch me go, 'cause I don't need you to like me. Don't need you.
This is now how it looks. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to your website, giving it descriptions, price, and everything. So subscribe and turn the bell notification on so that you cannot miss our updates on this video. Here is our website homepage. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.